Hello, Lorraine here again, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, which you can find a link in the description below this video. It's makemoneyonline-niches.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Chronos. Now, Chronos is launching today, August the 18th at 9 AM EST, and it's brought to you by Shai Krishna and Jaylee Saunders. Now this product is basically a cloud-based software and a time management tool. It is set up for people like myself who look at digital launches and do review videos and other things in the digital marketing and affiliate marketing arena. So what I want to do is have a look at their sales page, and we'll have a look at my bonus page. We'll look at some of the prices from the front end of the funnel, go through some of the prices of the product and the bonuses that I have available when you purchase Chronos through my link, which will be in the description below this video. Then stick around to the end of the video, then I will go over to the members area and the training area and show you what the product is all about. So let's go and have a look at the sales page now. Here we are on the sales page for Chronos, which is, like I said, a cloud-based software. It doesn't have to be downloaded and it doesn't have to be installed. Basically, it's a software that you can organize your time in a few simple clicks. It basically integrates with a website that I use quite often, which is Munchai, and it obviously gives you a calendar, a notes maker, to-do list, a members area, training. There's no monthly fees during the launch, so when you purchase, it's a one-time only payment. Now the launch is going live quite soon. I think you can see from this timer 18 minutes, so today it will be launched within the next few minutes. The price obviously here today, one time only, $37, and when I look at my bonus page I will go through the rest of the funnel to give you an idea of what else is available within this software launch today. Like I said, the people who are launching this product is Sai Krishna, the product developer and marketer, and Jaylee Saunders, online marketer and pro audio engineer. So basically it's all about decluttering your life, finding more time, making more time, basically by using a software that integrates everything that you need when you're looking at digital product launches. So let's go and have a look at what bonuses I have available through my bonus page. So here we are on my bonus page and the Chronos Manager. Basically, it's going to be available for a few days through the launch period, but as soon as this clock hits 0, all of the bonuses that I have available won't be there. So it's a 3-day window on buying Chronos with my bonuses. You can still purchase the product later, but the bonuses won't be there. So basically, let's have a look. We've got the prices for the funnel and the upsells. Like I say, the front end is $37. Then you've got the manager for an Android, which is $27, and a downsell of $17, so you can get a discount. Then you've got the Chronos Manager Plus, $37, and a downsell of $27, so another discount. You've got one-on-one coaching, $97, and a downsell of $77, so you can save $20 there. And then you've got how you can launch a product. Now this is a valuable, obviously, service, $997 for launching your own product in the digital space. So you can have a look at my bonus page. Like I say, it'll be in the description below this video. Then you can go over exactly what each level and offer is going to provide you. So This are the key benefits, basically what I've said. It's newbie friendly, it integrates with Munchai, it gives you an event calendar, there's a notes maker, a training area, no fees during the launch, it's a one-time only payment, and basically a cloud-based software. There is a video on my page which you can take a look at. It's a basic demo, but we're going to have a look at the demo in the members area anyway, which we'll do after I've gone through my bonuses. So bonus number 1 is from 0 to $100 in 24 hours. Basically, it's an access to a hack which can show you what you could do to go from no money to $100 in 24 hours. My second bonus is 10 local search engine optimization hacks that you didn't or probably don't know about. Now, obviously, if you have a website or you have a business or that you work in that area and field and you work with other businesses, then knowing about local search engine optimization hacks would probably be very, very useful. Bonus number 3 is 2,000 copy-paste emails. Basically, once you start in the digital area, the digital marketing area, and you are doing your lead generation, you need to have emails to be sending out to your leads. And so here you go, 2,000 copy and paste emails. Bonus number 4 is access to Atomic Done For You. Now basically what this is a lead magnet generator. It's automatic generator of lead magnets, which lead magnets are usually like a report or some sort of information product. So what this does is create these PDFs which then you can use in order to obtain lead magnet. And as usual, all of the event bonuses will be available when you purchase through my link. And how you do that is you would click on any of these blue buttons on my bonus page, which will take you through to the sales page to make a purchase. And then you would receive a receipt like this one from Warrior Plus, and where the blue button is, which says Access Affiliate Bonuses, is where you would receive access to all of the bonuses I've just described. Don't forget, you can still visit my website, makemoneyonline-niches.com. So now let's have a look at the actual software area. So here we have the Chronos Manager. Like I said, it's integrating various things in one tab. So for a start, you've got the calendar, where you can actually schedule in different events and appointments. So you've got here 2 dots in that on the 17th. That means there's multiple things going on the 17th. Where you've got 1 dot on the 11th, you've got 1 event or item for that date. The 18th, why it's got a blue circle? It's today. So there you go. So that is the scheduling calendar area of Chronos. And then you have Note Maker, which then you can basically add notes to remember things. And then you have the to-do list, which gives you a whole to-do list, which then you can just start ticking off everything that you've done throughout the day. And then you've got upcoming product launches. Now this is interesting because what it does here is integrates a website which I use quite regularly, which is Munchai. Munchai is all of the different internet marketing launches that are happening through the month. So as you can see, you've got all of these different launches that are happening through Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. And there's lots of different products that are going to be launched. Now, when you look at Munchai, what you need to do, you can't just review a product. You need to actually apply to the product creator to ask them if you can actually market the product. And so what you do is you need to go through to either Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So if we click on the Warrior Plus sign here, I have to actually log in. It takes you to a calendar. Now, on this calendar, you've got all of the different digital launches on the calendar. So if there's something that you want to actually promote that works with your niche area, then you can use any of these links here, which will take you through to the page where you can basically apply. You must be approved by Progress to promote this offer. So if I just move myself down, request approval. So you can't actually just market any product. You need to be able to be approved first. So this software actually helps you to integrate everything that you need in one place. And it also works with the button for JVZoo as well. Like I say, you click on the JVZoo button, it takes you through to JVZoo, which I would have to log into again, but it's a similar thing. So that is the cloud software, keeping everything in one place, in one tab, and helps you to get organized with all sorts of digital product launches. Now there is also a training suite. Now here it is. Basically it's the training videos that go alongside the software on how to use this Chronos manager. So you've got access to the software, it's the first video here. You've got logging on to Chronos manager, and then using the upcoming products section, using the calendar section, using the calendar templates, how you use the note maker, using the to-do section, the conclusion and what's next. And then these are all of the bonuses that are available with purchasing Chronos, and available through my link as well. The traffic handbook, the evergreen system, YouTube ad excellence, profit from PLR, and a bonus one, which is the PLR hackathon workshop. So all of those bonuses will be available when you purchase Chronos through my link, which is in the description below this video. So that, in a nutshell, is what Chronos is all about. So it's two things basically. You've got your software, which is cloud-based, which helps you to manage your day, your week, your month, and the training, which goes over step by step how you actually use the software and get yourself freed up with more time. So that's all I want to say on this product review. So basically, got my bonus page here with the bonuses available. You can find in the link below the video, and I'll see you on the next review. Bye for now.